Use a simple insulation R-value thumb rule to pick target R values for walls, ceilings, and floors based on your climate zone. For walls, aim for R13 to R15 in mild climates and R20 to R21 in colder climates. And choose continuous insulation or cavity plus blanket assemblies so you avoid thermal bridging. In practice, use bats or blown-in cellulose in cavities and add a rigid foam layer on the exterior when studs are cold. For ceilings, target R38 to R60 in many regions because heat rises and attic insulation has the largest impact on annual heating and cooling loads. Use thicker loose-fill blown cellulose or fiberglass in attics and pack to the full depth with proper ventilation above to prevent moisture issues. For floors above unconditioned crawl spaces, aim for R25 or higher by insulating the floor joists or, when feasible, insulating the crawl space perimeter and sealing vents to keep ducts and piping inside the thermal envelope. Use the International Energy Conservation Code climate tables as a reference to refine these thumb rules for your exact location, and always adjust targets for high-performance goals such as net zero or passive house where higher values are needed. When adding insulation, verify current clearances to recessed lighting, maintain required vapor control strategies for your climate, and seal air leaks first, since air sealing often yields bigger gains than increasing R value alone. Finally, measure existing cavity depths and material compatibilities so you can choose dense packed cellulose, spray foam, or bats appropriately, and avoid compressing bat insulation, which reduces its R value. Homeowners often underestimate the impact of air leakage, which invalidates nominal R values. Fix that by sealing gaps, weather stripping, and using foam gaskets before insulating. People compress bat insulation into cavities or behind wiring and assume the rated R value holds. Instead, install full-depth insulation and use cavity fill techniques to preserve performance. Another common issue is ignoring moisture control, which can lead to mold and lost insulating value. Follow condensation control guidance for your climate, provide ventilation where required, and select vapor retarders or permeable materials that match your wall assembly needs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare local contractor options and explore projects that match these insulating targets, and our community discussion boards let homeowners and contractors swap real-world tips about installations and product choices. We connect contractors and homeowners so contractors find leads and homeowners find local professionals, while our discussion community supports shared learning.